Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. There are two methods to do this. If you are on your Windows, all you have to do is to simply go to your Windows icon, and from here you can search for the Microsoft Store. Once you search for the Microsoft Store, you can now search right here for games, and you can search for Minecraft. The version that you can buy through the Microsoft Store, either in the Minecraft launcher or this one, Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC, they're always going to be the Bedrock version. So you can always just buy it from here, or you can join the Game Pass. By joining the Game Pass, you can just search for Xbox. And once you go to the Xbox app and pay for the Game Pass subscription, which is usually around $10 a month, it will include Minecraft Edition in it. And so for Minecraft Bedrock, it will always be included right here in the Minecraft launcher. So when you click on play and wait for it to load, you can see right here, anytime you buy any Minecraft version through Microsoft or Xbox, it will always include Bedrock Edition right here. And you can just simply click on play and you will start playing the game. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.